Turn your audience into loyal customers with Zoho Campaigns. Build your subscriber list, get explicit consent, and send targeted marketing emails to people who actually want to hear from you. Control how often emails are sent so your audience never feels overwhelmed. Choose from beautifully designed templates for holidays and special occasions, then customize them easily using the drag and drop editor. Add images, text, videos, and strong call to actions that match your brand identity. Send personalized follow up emails based on subscriber actions and display dynamic content tailored to their demographics. With real time analytics and detailed reports, you can track performance and improve every campaign. You can even score subscriber based on engagement and push qualified leads directly to your CRM. Grow smarter, engage better, and put your business on the map with Zoho Campaigns.